Welcome to Mark in a Minute, where you get the important stuff in just 60 seconds. Each of these 60-second videos summarizes a subject in reference to the Tampa Bay area and its incredible realty market. So let's get started.
One major thing here in Sierra is the lagoon. So that is a 4-acre pool. It is beautiful. And what it is the developers are from Dubai and they brought the beach to the people. So in this specific community, we'll have that coming summer 2026. Here in Sierra, we have single family homes. We have townhomes as well. And from ranging price points from the upper 2s to the 4s. So we have really a home for everyone. We have everything you can imagine, and we have everything is included. Appliances, blinds, hurricane shutters, irrigations, and each home comes with a warranty.
Thank you for watching Mark in a Minute. Be sure to like or dislike and subscribe below. Apparently, it is very important. And as always, be sure to ask me the questions that are most important to you. Have a great day.